So this is the new HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, a smartwatch that's incredibly thin, lightweight, stylish, packed with health and workout related features, and priced really, really well. And it's compatible with both Android and iOS. But is it as good as it sounds? I'm M. Kwan here on M. Kwan Reviews, and I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, so here's what you need to know. Now I'm going to start with one of the things that really impressed me, which is the build quality. HUAWEI have done really, really well with this, because this is the kind of materials that you'd find on a more premium watch, not on something that feels this light. You've got this titanium grade alloy bezel on the front. It's very subtle, but you can see it. You've also got the sapphire crystal on top, and then on the body here, you've got this aerospace grade titanium for the body. Very, very light, and the benefits of that is that it feels light. It's only 30 grams, and when you compare that with something like a headphone earpods case, that is considerably light. Not only is it light though, the fact that they've managed to make a Pro model this thin, how thin? 9.3 millimeters thin, which is ridiculous. It's like thinner than an Oreo. It's certainly thinner than some of the other fitness trackers in this category. And the advantages of that, if like me, you prefer to have something lighter on your wrist, that is an advantage, because it means that I can have this on for longer and I don't notice it when I'm wearing it all day, or more importantly, using it with workouts. Now we get a range of different colors, but I really like this green, and this strap, which is this 3D woven nylon, is very, very nice. The other things I really like is this display. It's a 1.82 inch AMOLED screen, but the fact that it's got 3000 nits of peak brightness, which might be HUAWEI's brightest display on a smartwatch, is a good advantage, especially when you're out and about on the midday. Being able to see information, details at a glance, makes it really, really useful. Now, if you're into fitness, casual or hardcore, the Watch Fit 4 Pro delivers in more ways than you'd expect. You've got over 100 different workout modes, and it's packed with pro level tracking. So you've got running, cycling, swimming, and even more niche modes like golf, trail running, and diving up to 40 meters. But it's not just the number of workouts that impress me, it's just how smart the data is. So HUAWEI are using a TruSense system, which tracks your heart rate, SpO2 stress, even ECG, with surprising accuracy. Plus the new air pressure sensor gives you real-time elevation data, and it's perfect for hikes or mountain runs. Now, not only will this track how fast and far you're going, it also helps you track how you're feeling with a human touch. The emotional well-being assistant monitors your stress levels, heart rate variability, and even suggests breathing techniques when it senses you're overwhelmed. And just to reinforce your emotional well-being, this is a fun watch face that uses this character. You can customize the characters, and it shows off at a glance your emotional well-being state on your watch face. Now, if you find this a little childish, or you might not want to use this, don't worry. I think it's quite cool, but for many other people who I know might not like this, there are tons and tons of really cool different watch faces. And the best part is you can actually download these through the app. So lots to choose from, many that are free. There are a couple that are paid, tons of different complications, as you can see here, different styles. There's so much to do in terms of customizing your watch face and the look of your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. So that's one of the big advantages with this. All of those downloadable through the app. And then, yeah, you can just customize it as you need. And sleep is also a big one. The sleep breathing awareness feature can detect signs of things like sleep apnea, using the heart rate and oxygen levels while you sleep. Oh, and for GPS, if you want more accuracy, there's something called the sunflower positioning system, which is incorporated with this. So you get more details, more accuracy if you take this out and about. Now that leaves us with one last point, and that is the battery life. The battery life on this is seriously impressive. So, okay, it's got a 400 milliamp hour battery inside. I was able to charge with a wireless charger from 0 to 100% in around an hour, let's say 60 to 65 minutes, okay? But the fact that this holds on to battery for as long as it does is really impressive. Remember, it's thin, it's got that bright display, all those sensors. I was able to get, during my testing, an easy 7+ days. And you should be able to push that even further. And you can do all that without having to turn off some of those core features of what this smartwatch has to offer, which I think is really, really impressive. To summarize, for what this offers in terms of pricing, and at the time of filming this, you'll find all the details down below, the current pricing, but this is about under 1,000 dirhams for the Pro model. It's even less than that for the non-Pro model. But this is a serious smartwatch worth considering, because with what it offers for the price point and the fact that it's compatible for most of the features with iOS and also all the features with Android. Yeah, it's worth looking into. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, what you think about this watch. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit like, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Kwan, here from the UAE. Peace and blessings.